Walk into any steel mill, refinery, or manufacturing plant today, and you'll find the same thing at the center of it all: rotating machinery, working around the clock. It's the heartbeat of the whole operation. So when a component as critical as a seal pot fails, everything stops. Not gradually, all at once. A leak nobody caught, a gas emission nobody flagged, and suddenly you're not just looking at a safety hazard. You're looking at millions in downtime and repairs that could have been avoided. Over 2.9 million workers die every year globally from work-related accidents and occupational diseases, according to the International Labor Organization, ILO. Thousands of serious industrial incidents involving toxic gases, confined spaces, and process failures are reported worldwide every year. Carbon monoxide, CO, is a colorless, odorless gas and remains one of the leading causes of accidental poisoning in industrial environments. Studies indicate that 70 to 80% of industrial incidents involve human factors, often compounded by delayed detection, limited visibility, or inadequate monitoring. A few minutes of delayed detection can result in loss of life, production downtime, environmental impact, and multi-million-dollar operational losses. Plants have run on manual checks and patchwork legacy systems for decades. It worked until it didn't. Today's plants move too fast and generate too much data for a clipboard and a walkthrough to keep up. That's where Datoway's SPMS comes in, the seal pot monitoring system, built to take the guesswork out of the equation. It's an AI-powered command center that gives plant managers something they've never really had before: a complete real-time view of the entire operation. Open the Global Device Health Dashboard, and you immediately know where things stand. Every connected asset, every alert trend, broken down zone by zone. This isn't a static report you check once a shift. It's a live picture of your facility, updating as things happen. Of course, none of that matters if the data isn't good at the source. So SPMS starts at the edge. In the Device Management Center, you can watch it happening in real time. CO gas levels tracked down to the part per million, water inlet levels, battery health, across hundreds of endpoints scattered across the floor. Whether a device is running fine or edging toward a threshold, your team knows exactly where it stands. Nothing's hiding. All of this runs on a serious backbone. Enterprise-grade MQTT architecture built for speed. Take a look at the live API monitor, and you'll see it for yourself. Telemetry packets moving through the system with alert latency under 2 seconds. So the second a seal pot starts behaving abnormally, the system already knows. It's already responding. And with leak detection accuracy sitting around 99% at the edge, you're not reacting to failures anymore. You're staying ahead of them. But catching the problem is only half the job. When a threshold gets crossed, SPMS doesn't just send a notification and wait. It moves. The escalation engine kicks off automatically, generating a complaint and routing it straight to the field engineer responsible. And every step along the way, every alert, every assignment, every action, gets logged permanently in the system audit trail. Nothing falls through the cracks and nobody has to guess who did what. And SPMS doesn't just tell you what's happening now. It helps you see what's coming. The Analytics Hub turns weeks of manual auditing into safety and compliance reports generated in seconds. Pair that with full open API documentation, ready for whatever systems you already run, and SPMS is built to grow with you, not around you. Datoway Technologies' SPMS transforms industrial monitoring into measurable business outcomes. 24/7 real-time monitoring of carbon monoxide, poisonous gases, water level, and pressure. 2-second data latency for rapid detection and response. Up to 90% reduction in manual monitoring and inspection effort through continuous digital surveillance. Faster incident detection and response, reducing operational risk and improving worker safety. Predictive maintenance using historical trends and anomaly detection to improve equipment reliability. Centralized self-service platform providing enterprise-wide operational visibility. Enables safer operations, improved compliance, reduced downtime, and Industry 4.0 readiness. Less firefighting, more foresight. This is Datoway SPMS, industrial reliability without the compromise. Datoway technology, operation precision, secured. Reshaping the world of IoT, AI, digital engineering, and cybersecurity. Reach out. Contact@datoway.com.